Hi all. Now we will discuss about for loop. So you can see that I have written here a very basic for loop in Java. So in here, under the conditional part, right? So there is a variable called I, right? That I start from the zero, right? This will work until I less than 5, right? And this one is an incrementer, so that means it start to 0 to increment 1 by 1, and here I put a s out to print the value of I, right? So now we will discuss how to work this for loop, right? So the initial value of the I is 0. Now you can see that, right? So now with I, so now that it check the condition, right? It check the condition whether I less than 5. Yes, now 0 is less than 5. Yes, that's true. Then uh, the executor come inside the scope, right? Now it print the value for I, which is 0, right? uh, so after this for loop, it will goes to I plus plus, right? So I plus plus, the current value of the I 0 become 1 because of this plus plus. Now the value of I is 1, right? So then we will check 1 less than 5. Yes, that's true. Then it will print 1, and again it will go with this way and I plus plus. Now I will become 2, right? And check the condition 2 less than 5, that's true, right? So then it will print 2 and goes in this way, right? uh, then because of I plus plus, now I value become 3, right? And it will print 3 and goes here. Now the I value become 4, right? Here 3 less than 5, and now 4 less than 5, right? Yes, 4 less than 5 is true. So it will print 4 and go to I plus plus, and uh, because of that increment I become 5. Now the condition is check 5 less than 5, right? So it's false. So at that point the for loop will be terminated. So the result should be 0 to 4, right? So we will do the same for loop in our program, right? So I will put for loop int I is equal 0 to I less than 5 I plus plus, right? uh, After that I can put s out here and print the value of I, right? So now I'm going to execute this. Here now you can see that value 0 1 2 3 4, right? In our example 0 1 2 3 4. So this is how that for loop is working in Java.